Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and every BMW, I think, needs an oil cooler shield and skid plate, and I'm going to show you how to install it. All right, y'all, let me walk you through this project really quick, and this is going to be a really quick install. It's going to take longer to get the car in the air than it is to do the actual project itself. Now, I think every modern BMW with that low-mounted oil cooler needs a skid plate, a screen, something to protect that oil cooler. I've got a whole series of videos on different models, and today we're going to be working on an F90 M5. This is especially telling when wait till you see underneath the car on this M5. It's a beautiful car, but the owner hit something on the freeway, and he's incredibly lucky it didn't do real damage. I think every modern BMW should have a skid plate or a screen or something to protect it, and this setup from Mastery of Art and Design, or MAD, is really simple. It's really solid. I love how good this is. We're going to do the install really quick. I'll show you how. Let's get started. All right, so all done. This job really takes longer to get the car up in the air and down than it does to actually do this install itself. Really simple, really straightforward. You've got all those 8mm that are all secure in place, and you can look now and you can see that your oil cooler is actually protected where it was completely unprotected before. So, you know, we're gonna run into something like that on the freeway again. It's not gonna be a problem this time. All right, so go ahead and put your car back down. You're good to go. All right, all done, and like I mentioned earlier, it's going to take you longer to get your car in the air than it is to do the actual job. So, dozen or so 8mm screws, and you have a degree of protection you didn't have before. If you have a car with a low-mounted oil cooler like that, I don't know why you wouldn't run a product like this. It doesn't make sense. I install it on every car that I can get my hands on, and you should too. Thank you for Matt for making such a fantastic product that's so easy to work with. I highly recommend it, and you should get this installed in your M5 today. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.